Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, Loose Screws Reviews, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of a bladeless neck fan. You know, it says neck fan cooler, but yeah, a bladeless neck fan. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new video. Tell a friend to go ahead and subscribe. And because it's easy, it don't cost nothing. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Alright? Now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Like I say, today I got a one of those neck fans. This is one of them things I was scouring the interwebs trying to see some new products to review, and I came across this. And let me show you where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. Price on here is $19.99 right now, alright, at the time of this video. Alright, and I decided to pick this up because I had one of the old style. I did a video on this a couple years ago or something like that. But I said, well, I'm going to try this new style. This is a little bit different. Don't look as bulky as this one. So I said, alright, let me give it a try. Alright, so here's the box. Nothing special about the box. It's a plain box. Just tell you on the side what color you got. Because it comes in white, pink, and green, and we got the green one. On the back tells you can pause that right there and read it for yourself if my light ain't too bright for you. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's see, what is this? You got an instruction booklet, and let's see here. Got a cord, power cord. Let me get this box out of the way. And I'm gonna keep the paper here for a minute because we're gonna use that paper for a minute later in the video. Alright, pretty cool, pretty stretchy. You know, feels kind of durable. I see one thing I like. It got the mic. It don't got a USB-C on there, so yeah. But here's what it is: 19 bucks. I can't complain. Alright, let me put this around my neck and see how it feels. Okay, it ain't heavy on the neck, feels good on the neck. Alright, you got little fans on here, little stickers, I don't know, I guess there's a little information on there. And you got the little branding right here. Let me turn on this light so you guys can see. You got a little branding on, I don't know if you can see it on there, because it's blending into the fan, but anyway, you got your power button right here, and like I said before, you got your micro USB-A on there. And power button. Let's go ahead and turn this power on and see how strong this is. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna use the paper. That's what I'm gonna use the paper for. As you can see, let's on the lowest settings because it has 3 different modes on there. This is second mode. Put it down there. Hit the third mode. Blowing the paper everywhere. Well, it ain't blowing too strong. Let me see the other one. See how strong the other one is. Let me cut this one off for a second. Let me see how strong this one is. If I remember how to turn the bad boy up. Oh, okay. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one is stronger than that one. Yeah, let me turn this one on too. Yeah, this one right here is definitely putting out more wind than the other one. Let me put that back to the side. Alright, let's check and see how loud it is. I got the little meter right here. You see how loud it is on the loudest setting? I mean the highest setting. Got it on low. Oh yeah, I have it in frame. So let me put it in frame for you. That's the lowest setting, medium, and high. All right. But on high, let me put it on my neck and see how it feels. Yeah, that is kind of loud in my ears right there. Let me put it next to the camera so you can hear it. It is kind of loud right there. Yeah, but for $19, you can't beat it. Let me see what else it says about this bad boy on the website. All right, you got It said it can be used for like 5 to 18 hours depending on what speed you're having on. So, you know, the speed the run time is going to vary. Let me see here. Let's say there's 3 different modes. So, yeah. It weighs 10 ounces and it also has a battery capacity of, it's got a lithium rechargeable battery, 2,500 mile battery in it. So, power is 8 watts. And charging time takes 5 hours to charge it from, I guess, totally dead. So it takes 5 hours to charge it. But it weighs 9 ounces. All right. So for 19 bucks, not too bad. It's not as strong as the other one, but you know, this one looks a little sleeker. It looks like it would look like you have some headphones on. But other than that, you know, 19 bucks. You know, can't beat it. All right. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But that's the video for today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to get back to a new normal, whatever, you know, because it's just, you know, first video out the gate was second video out the gate. So we trying to dust off the little cobwebs and get back to how we used to do it. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright, let me see what the message for the day is. Find something that you're passionate about, you know what I'm saying? Find something that you're passionate about. Love what you do, like, especially in stressful times like, you know, like we live in today. It's good to have something, you know, you could do that, you know, that you're passionate about, that to kind of take your mind off things, alright? Alright, that's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark from Loose Screws and Views. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.